Do not feed the animals. That is a bad idea. Don't do that. Now, why shouldn't you do that? Number one, it disrupts the natural behavior of animals, and secondly, it can make them dependent on human beings. You'll find situations where animals now start coming to where people are because they expect them to be fed. So don't do that. And also just for their own safety, because some of this food that you may give these animals may not be fit for them. Okay, it will disrupt that natural behavior. The second one is loud noise. Keep noise out as much as possible. Why? Because it confuses animals and it disturbs them. It might startle them actually. It might disrupt their natural activities. So don't play loud music or shouting and stuff like that. No. Don't do that out there. Number 3, do not leave your vehicle. Please. When you're out there on an African safari, do not leave your vehicle unless you have been instructed by your guide. Now, why shouldn't you leave your vehicle? Because predators and other dangerous animals might be out there just nearby. Number 5, avoid flash photography. Let's be honest, even as people, sometimes we really don't like the flash. In those videos that you see on TV, there's even a warning sometimes of flash photography. Now, do not try by all means to avoid flash photography when you're in the wild out there. So if you want to take some pictures, always turn off that flash, okay? Because it startles the animals, it disturbs them. Don't do that. Number 6, do not wear bright colors. Why? Because that might attract insects, and also bright colors actually attract unwanted attention from these animals. So try to keep the colors that are down, neutral, those that blend in very well with out in the world. The greens, the dark, the beige, the grayish, yes, those colors, yes. Number 7, do not approach the animal. Do not approach or get near the animals. In as much as some animals might seem calm and relaxed, but remember, animal behavior can be very unpredictable. So whatever you do, stay away, keep a good distance away from animals, because they can just be unpredictable and attack from anywhere. So keep a good distance, whatever you do, no matter how calm the animal looks. And number 8, do not stray away from the designated paths. Your guide will always give you the paths that you should move in. Don't try to divert, try to do something, be adventurous and explore on things. No. That could be too risky and dangerous. For your own safety, keep to your designated path. Number 9, very, very important. Do not ignore your guide. Do not ignore your guide. You might have some experience, maybe you had some a safari adventure somewhere in another country. You've been doing this for quite some time, but your guide is very important because he's experienced, he knows the terrain, he knows the animal behavior, and he has experience in that particular locality. So whatever he tells you, do not ignore the advice from your guide. And the last but not the least, do not smoke. Why? Now, smoking not only causes wildfires out there, but they also disturb the animals with their sense of smell. And the smell can choke them. It affects them. But hey, if you have to do so, yes, do so only in designated places, but not out there. Why it's designated that you can do that? You are free. So yourself. So there you have it, folks. These 10 things, please try to avoid them for your own safety, for the environment out there, and for the animals out there. We need these animals, there are communities that survive because of those animals, and also just for the well-being of Mother Earth. So whatever you do, please avoid these things that we've looked at. See you in the next video.